And that's how you make a strawberry shortcake.
That shit was also good than a motherfucker. All right, so you got your egg and your vanilla and your milk. You go ahead and whip that motherfucker up. I whipped the egg up first so it would incorporate with the milk and shit. All right, boom. You got your flour. There go your sugar. Your motherfucking. I don't remember what that was. Baking soda. I think it was baking powder. That's what it was. Baking powder, salt, baking soda, all that, boom. I put that to the side. You got your butter, cube that motherfucker up, and then you're gonna throw that shit in the flour mixture we just did, and then you're gonna have to break that shit up into little last pieces, and then go ahead and squeeze them bitches and make them as small as you can. This shit actually took me like 20 good minutes, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, I kind of cut it down the video, so just breaking that shit up. Boom, and then you want to add that egg and milk mixture, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I just added it in slowly because that's what the nigga said to do. So add that shit in real slow, like mixing it in. Just like that. Just like that. And it's gonna be hella like dry and shit. It's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? Because we damn near making biscuits here. It's just gonna be a little sweet. You feel me? So go ahead. Put that shit in and you want to dump that shit on your counter. I did that shit way too early. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Yeah, it kind of worked out. So you just combine it, press it down, smush it, fold it like that. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to look like that, but we got it working. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? True to this, not new to this. So go ahead and just keep folding that shit over. If this shit look like this, then yeah, I was having a rough time. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I ended up grabbing the biscuit cutters and then cutting the shit out. You don't want them to be hella small. Like you see how thick my shit is. You want it to be about that thick. I'm pretty sure I made my shit way too thick. Yeah, I forgot to record the biscuit cutter part. So this is just me putting heavy cream on the top of them joints. Brushing heavy cream on the top of them. I actually put sugar on the top of it too, but I didn't record that either. Then I cut up some strawberries and I put some sugar in the strawberries too. Forgot to record that as well. That's some heavy whipping cream and some vanilla. And I think some sugar too. And you just whip that shit up to the little like that. Add the biscuit, the heavy whipping cream, the strawberries. I want a little extra big back on mine. You ain't gotta do all that, but you feel me? We big bag around here. It's all good.
And that's how you make a strawberry shortcake.